Welcome to Facebook Live. One potato on Tuesday. Yesterday was kind of an amazing day. We did Cyber Monday, and it was like out of control. It was really exciting. It was watching exciting new people coming, becoming One Potato family members as One Potatoes. And we had a great Thanksgiving. How was your Thanksgiving? What'd you guys make? What'd you do? Hopefully one potato. We did half one potato, and we did half, like I brined a turkey.
Yeah, home cooking.
Home cooking. So it was really fun. And Chloe
like you can have your family tradition and one potato.
Exactly. It's like, all one.
Yeah.
Today we are going to be making, this is like, Kenya's super excited for these, unfried vegetarian taquitos with Spanish rice, cucumber, avocado salsa. I'm going to get going with this, but you guys, just so you know, giveaway. We're doing a giveaway. Chloe's going to tell you, we're doing these Ween Green containers. Why do we love those? Whoa, that was hot. That was hotter than I expected. Hold on, we're doing a giveaway. So hold up for one. I know. Go ahead.
Ask me a question.
You're right.
We love them because do they not break?
Yeah, they're shatterproof.
Yeah, they're shatterproof, and there's big ones, small ones. So like my mom once put one of them in my lunch, I think, for like snack, or like sometimes she puts like mac and cheese in them, or like they're really good for savoring stuff. They're
really good. So you guys, if you want to enter to win this giveaway, share this video and tell me in the comments what was your favorite thing you had for Thanksgiving. I kind of want to know. I know it's past, but what did you love for Thanksgiving? I'm going to cut this open.
Can I pour it?
Yes. So you guys, here's what we did. I put 1 3/4 cup of hot water. I brought it to a boil.
It's very hot.
Chloe's this is our Spanish broth. So we're going to make Spanish rice. It only takes 20 to 25 minutes, and we use brown rice. So remember, with one potato, we use the most nutritious ingredients possible, whether they're
why did you have to put it there?
Whether they're wild salmon, brown rice, organic chicken, everything. And now I'm just going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to put the rice in. You throw that away from me.
Yep.
I'm going to stir this up, and we're going to cook this for about 20-25 minutes. And what that Spanish broth does is it just adds. You okay? Did the water fall on you?
No, this when I put my
oh no!
On it.
Be careful. I'm sorry, Boo Boo. Let's be careful here. You make sure you're careful. So. That rice is just delicious. It has tons and tons of flavor. It's not just like, but it's still brown rice, so it's really nutritious. So Chloe is going to
cut the cucumbers.
Right, because we're also going to be doing this avocado cucumber salad. You can use whichever one. I think the smaller one. And you're going to put the cucumbers in here. I'm going to get going into taquitos. You guys, it's Taco Tuesday, so we love Taco Tuesday.
And you gave me a lunch.
I know.
I ate in the car.
I know.
It was really good.
I can't even believe I did this. It's Taco Tuesday even at Chloe's school, and I make her lunch usually, but I always forget on Tuesdays, and I still make her lunch. Wah, wah.
These are the kind of cucumbers with all the spikies. I love the feeling of them.
These are Persian cucumbers. So we love Persian cucumbers at One Potato because they have thinner skin, so you can eat the skin, everything.
But don't touch the top.
And they have very small seeds in the middle, so you can keep the seeds. You don't have to take them out.
You can touch the top. They're just kind of spiky.
Yep. So you guys, even with One Potato, all of our ingredients are organic. So these are even, sorry, I of course cut the label, but they're organic corn tortillas. So there's no GMOs in these. Really, really important. No, we don't use any genetically modified ingredients. So if you've ever tried another meal kit company and you're trying to figure out if you want to switch to One Potato, just know we don't use any GMOs. All of our ingredients are organic. That's really important because if you're feeding your kids, you want to give them the best ingredients. Yes.
Well, the boxes we have. Vegetarian.
Oh, yes. So at One Potato, we have 4 kinds of boxes. You can get an omnivore, vegetarian, gluten-free, or nut-free, and we're working on a dairy-free box. Now, is there? If you guys have questions, don't forget, this is the giveaway today. We're giving away the the Ween Green feeding cubes. So it's going to be this set right here, and they're awesome for One Potato sauces, salad dressings, any kind of, if you have like a little extra cheese. So if you've never had these, mac and cheese, right? So if just put in the comments below what was your favorite thing you had at Thanksgiving, and make sure to share this. And if you have questions, I want to know where are you guys watching from, and if you have any questions about One Potato or just Relicious or cooking, tell us. Yes. Yeah. Now, will you put those in there? And now watch what I'm doing. So we make these incredible black beans. So that's the thing at One Potato.
They're so good. I love black beans.
We take black beans. We grate our own cheese, so that's not that funky cheese that you get at the grocery that has the powder on the outside, because I hate that. I like fresh cheese. And these are our black beans. They're not black beans out of a can. These are black beans that have stewed. Fresh. Yep, they've got like fresh garlic and fresh herbs. So
everything's fresh.
Everything's fresh. So we make it and you get it. Oh, sorry. We're like sharing the garbage can here.
I'm kind of eating everything.
And these are vegetarian. If you happen to have any leftover chicken at home, you could totally use that, add it to it. But these are, with One Potato, I'm gonna add in the cheese now. With One Potato, we send, for the omnivore box, we send 2 meat recipes for the week. So we have a salmon and a chicken this week, and the vegetarian. And now I'm gonna add half of the corn salsa, and again, organic corn, so no GMOs. Oh, let me turn this down. And I'm gonna put in half. So if you guys, I would love to know like where you're watching from, what you do for Thanksgiving. Tell me anything you guys want to share, if you want to ask any questions too. And if you want a discount code for One Potato, it's right above. You can see in the comments above, we added a discount code just for you guys, okay? All right, so let me throw this in here. And now, this is the thing with making taquitos. And if you've never had a taquito, it's about the greatest thing. You can hold them with your hand. In the Wheelicious cookbook, which was my first cookbook.
You can eat them with a fork.
Yeah, you can totally eat them with a fork, but they're really fun to like dip in salsa. Like you can dip in the corn salsa.
That's what Daddy sometimes does.
Does he?
Yeah.
Oh, I love that. So I want you to see, this is our mixture. And I wanted to make these in case you've never made a taquito. They're sort of like tacos, but most taquitos are deep fried. These are not deep fried. They're just, we just bake them. So
But they taste the same, kind
of. So most taquitos are like deep fried, so it's not as healthy, but the One Potato ones are really healthy.
And good.
And really good. I think that I put a little bit too much. You have to kind of feel it out for how much mixture you're gonna put in, but you just go like this, and get in here real quick. I want you to see how I make these. So we're just gonna go like this, and just tightly wind it up. Is that good? So, and then I just put it on a baking sheet, and actually, you know what I should do, is I should grease the baking sheet. So
can I do?
Grease. I'm gonna give you the lime. Here, will you cut the lime in half? Roll it. Oh, show the trick.
Oh yeah, it's really fun. Sometimes some people use a napkin. Some people don't. I'm just gonna show you. Well, I'm not gonna show you the napkin, but you just roll it. Mm-hmm. Sometimes you can do it if it's really soft. Sometimes you should roll it, but sometimes you shouldn't if it's like maybe too soft. But you just roll it, and it gets out some of the juices usually.
I'm going to teach you another trick to a taquito, guys. All right, she's teaching that. For sometimes your first taquito wants to roll open and cut. So I always put like a toothpick in a few of them, and that will keep it closed. So that's just like one of my little weird tricks.
Like when we were little, you guys used to put rubber bands on them.
Oh, yeah.
Our little burritos so they would stay together.
This is a good trick. If you have little kids, you can stick rubber bands on burritos, and it holds the burrito
But you can
together.
always put the rubber bands back.
Totally.
Once my dad wasn't paying attention, I put his finger when he wasn't paying attention.
I totally remember that. That was very funny. So watch what I'm doing. And the toothpicks, you can just pull out when you eat them, but it keeps them so that they're all together.
And when you roll it, it smells more limey.
And you guys don't forget, we're doing the Ween Green containers as our giveaway today. So in the comments, tell me, what was your favorite Thanksgiving meal? What?
You opened them!
I know, I figured it out.
And they were impossible.
I know, this happens sometimes. Now look guys, sometimes they crack. That's just like natural with tortillas. So I'm gonna teach you guys a really good trick. This one may have bit the dust. Let's see, hold on.
Can I cut it?
Let's see. Oh, that one really that one's not happening. So watch this. I'm gonna do a good trick here. You got, oh yeah, Chloe's doing that. So I'm gonna
half of the lime or the whole lime?
That's the half of the lime is perfect. So guys, if you're, this is such a good trick. Yeah, it's fine. This is really good trick. If you're trying to make your tortillas softer and it makes them easier to roll so they don't crack, you put them in 2 pieces. Just take 2 tortillas like this, and you put them between 2 paper towels, and you microwave them for about 5-10 seconds. And this makes them much easier to roll.
And this thing makes it much easier to squeeze. If sometimes, because it was hard when I was squeezing it, so I just used this. Also, if you have pitted lemon, it only gets the juice out, not the seeds. So this is good for both uses.
Okay, already you can feel like these tortillas.
2 or 1.
What?
2 or 1.
How much lime do you want?
I don't know, I love lime.
I mean, so then do the whole lime, and I'll help Chloe. I'm gonna help Chloe, but I want you guys to just see this because you're not gonna be around to bake it, so it takes like about 5-10 minutes. But see how much easier that is to roll up, and they don't crack when they're just microwaved for about 10 seconds. And the toothpick just makes them that much easier too. So I'm gonna finish these in just a minute, but I want to show you. So we've got beautiful avocado, and just gonna. You got it? Is it coming? I know. You have to have a lot of muscles to do those. Hold on. Look at this. Only 1 potato avocados would be that gorgeous
and yummy
and soft. So I just, there we go. Okay. Okay, can I help you?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Ready? There you go.
How did you do that?
2 hands. Did you do 2 hands?
I used 2 hands. My fingers were falling off.
All right, so guys, if you want to enter the giveaway we're doing for 1 potato today on our Taquito Tuesday episode, and don't forget we're doing, we do this every Tuesday. We do 5 o'clock on 1 potato. We do a giveaway, and we make one of the 1 potato recipes. So if you have any questions, you want to tell where you're watching from.
Tuesday.
Taquito. Yeah, they shouldn't call it Taco Tuesday. They should call it Taquito Tuesday.
But we're using taquitos, and it still starts with a T, so you can still say taquito.
This is true. Now, Chloe, let me ask you a question. What happens when you take lime and you squeeze? What happens when you cut an avocado and you squeeze lime on it?
It tastes amazing.
This is true too, but it also prevents it from turning
brown.
Yes.
Like she puts lime in my lunch, and it also makes it taste good, but it also makes it so it's not always brown. Because sometimes if a mom or dad puts avocado in your lunch, and they don't put lime on it, sometimes you think that it gone bad because it's brown.
You or me?
Me.
Dang it, I was really wanting that bite. We have a question.
Well, there's still some on the back.
Alejandra asks, what kind of taquitos are you making?
Hi, Alejandra. I'm so glad you're watching. Go ahead.
Bean and cheese.
What'd you just say?
Bean and cheese.
Right. We're making vegetarian taquitos, and we're using half of our corn salsa, black beans, and cheese. And I'm using GMO-free organic tortillas. So if you guys live, now I should remind you, if you live in California, Arizona, Nevada, Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Utah, or Colorado, you can get 1 potato. So don't forget, because it's, I want you guys to try it, especially it makes an awesome holiday gift. You can buy 1 potato gift cards, and we're doing major giveaways. So even if you don't live on the West Coast where 1 potato is,
you can still win.
You can still enter to win the giveaway. So all you all you need to do for that is just sign up for 1 potato, and as soon as you are entered, even if you're not in our area, you can
still win.
You can still enter our monthly giveaways, and our giveaway for this month, it's $4,000 giveaway. It's amazing prizes. All right, so I'm just brushing the tortillas just to make sure, like I said, we don't fry them. So we want to make sure that they still have a little bit of a crisp texture on the outside, and that's why I put the oil on the outside. And don't forget, you guys, we're doing a giveaway this month, today. So to win the Ween Green containers, just tell me in the comments below, what is your favorite, what was your favorite thing you had on Thanksgiving? I want to know. What's up? Gravy. Chloe's big on the gravy. Chloe's big on the gravy.
I literally took the gravy, and I kind of ate it, the whole thing. I took Viola, and they said, what was your favorite thing? And I said gravy.
We have a question.
Katie asks,
Hi, Katie.
Is this recipe on Weelicious?
Yes, there is a taquitos recipe on Weelicious. So yeah, just put in taquitos and you can see it and find it. Now I'm going to be taking 2 more corn tortillas. I'm telling you, it just makes it a lot easier to roll them for 10 seconds. And I'm just gonna, it just gives them a little bit more moisture. Yeah, so if you want to follow along, go to Weelicious.com right now. Many of the recipes that we send for One Potato are Weelicious recipes, but not all of them. So, you know, a lot of our sauces and dressings, I call them the One Potato secret sauce, because it's a lot of the reason that people will be like, where does that One Potato salad dressing or sauce come from? Okay, hold on. All right, so we've got a few more here, and you know, like tortillas, sometimes they'll give out on you, so that's why. This is where I learned my lesson. I didn't microwave that one. So it just helps a lot when you soften them, especially if you do it. It's good for them to be at room temperature too. That's why we always send a few too many.
Perfect lime.
What did you do? Ooh, what did you just do to that lime?
Put salt on it.
This is the reason not to cook with your children. Just sit there and put lime on their coconut. You guys, I think we're almost done here. You guys, we're going to give you 2 more minutes to enter the baby feeding set for Ween Green. Tell me in the comments below, what is your favorite Thanksgiving recipe? I want to hear what did you love, and make sure to share this video with any friends who you want to try One Potato as a gift, or like I said, if you sign up for One Potato, our newsletter, even if you don't live in one of our states, you can still enter to win our amazing monthly giveaways. Yes, Miss Chloe.
I also love stuffing.
You love stuffing. I think you already said that.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't?
I love gravy.
Oh, so Chloe
I want a
does.
bowl of gravy.
What are you trying? Are you trying to win?
Yes.
Hi. Can you just pop in? We're making. Kenya magically popped in from school.
And I just
and I was not here. All right, so guys, I'm gonna be pulling the Spanish rice in just a minute, but I think we should go ahead and announce our winner. We're gonna bake these taquitos. So we're gonna bake the taquitos. They're gonna get nice and crisp. We're gonna have the salsa. We've got. We're gonna have our avocado lime salsa. And we have our rice. We have a lot of food tonight. But do we have a winner for the giveaway?
Sarah Grace Lebovitz.
Sarah Grace Lebovitz, congratulations. Yay! What did she love for Thanksgiving?
Pumpkin pie with walnut streusel topping.
Pumpkin pie with walnut streusel topping. That sounds amazing.
I love pumpkin pie.
Wow. Ooh, I love that. You win. You guys, Tuesdays, 5 o'clock, One Potato, and watch and sign up. Don't forget, there's a code above to try your first One Potato box. Oh, wow. Chloe gave me like the tiniest little bite ever.
Well, I found it in this tiny little avocado.
Thank you. Cook with your kids.
Cook with your kids.
Bye, guys.